Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tablet. Enable apps from unknown sources so sideloading works, because the Play Store isn't native. Next, check Fire OS version and whether your device is 32-bit or 64-bit. This determines which APK variants to use. Once done, download 4 specific APKs onto the tablet in order: Google Account Manager, Google Services Framework, Google Play Services, and Google Play Store. You need these components to provide Google's account and services layers that Play Store expects. Now install the files carefully and in the exact order this matters. You install Google Account Manager first, then Google Services Framework, then Play Services, and finally the Play Store APK. Each install grants essential links between apps. Use the tablet's Files app to tap each APK and approve installations when the system asks. After the 4 APKs finish installing, reboot the tablet so background services can register and initialize. Make sure permissions are allowed if a prompt appears for Google Play Services. Finish by opening the Play Store and signing into your Google account. This links billing, app data, and Play Services. Once signed in, accept any updates and grant required permissions, because Play Services often updates immediately. If the Play Store or apps crash, clear app cache and data for Google Play Services and Play Store, then reboot. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall the 4 APKs matching your Fire OS architecture and version. Using mismatched versions is the most common cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.